how to add and change languages in Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, go down and tap on Gboard settings. Next, tap on languages. In here, to add in more languages, tap on Add Keyboard. Then scroll down the list and choose a language that you want to add. Then choose a keyboard style and then tap on Done. Then tap on the back key. And that's it. Now if you want to rearrange your keyboard in order of preference, you can touch and hold, then drag it to the top and let go. And that's it. To delete the keyboard, tap on Edit, then select the keyboard that you want to remove. Then we go to the top and tap on Remove, and that's it. So select the keyboard that you want to remove and tap on Remove. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Here we can see if you touch and hold on the spacebar, you can switch between the different keyboard language. You can also tap on the language settings here to go directly to this page, allowing you to add in other languages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.